Hello, everyone. This video is the first in a series called Stories from an Educator. In this series, I'm going to share a story that took place in my career in education, what I learned from it, and how it can be applied to you. I'm going to work on making certain the stories I share are relevant to the time of the year that they are posted. So, since it is September and thus the beginning of the school year, I wanted to focus on a challenge I faced in a previous school district. In a previous position, the school I was working at had the Wi Fi down for 2 weeks at the beginning of the school year. I had to adapt my lessons to work without internet access when it was a one-to-one device school. I was able to do so, and this experience taught me that facilitating the learning of others can still take place without access to the internet. It also taught me the importance of being flexible. Teach like an acrobat, and whatever comes your way will feel more manageable.